How to edit and organize subscriptions list on YouTube. Whether you are cleaning up old subscriptions or managing notifications, this guide will make it super easy. Let's get started. This works on iPhone, Android, or your computer. For mobile users, open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap on the Subscriptions tab at the bottom. At the top right corner, tap All to view every channel you are subscribed to. You will see options to filter your list by newest activity, most relevant, or A to Z alphabetically. You can choose any of these options according to your preferences. To manage your subscriptions, find the channels you no longer want to follow. Tap on the channel name and select Unsubscribe. To customize notifications, tap on the bell icon next to the channel. Then choose Non-Personalized or All Notifications based on your preferences. And that's how you can edit and organize subscriptions list on YouTube.